What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick. This is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Are you a landscape photographer or a photographer in general? Is your significant other a photographer? Mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, whoever it may be. This is my top 5. That's 10. Top 5 gifts for photographers. Let's go. So Christmas is quickly approaching. Are you guys done your Christmas shopping? Maybe you can sprinkle these little stocking stuffers in. Maybe. quick little gift ideas here for your photographer in your life. So before we get into it, if you could please go down below, hit that subscribe button. Just smash it. Yeah, Hulk style. Also, hit that share button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. Bing! It'll let you know when I upload my next video. It will. It'll also help my channel out immensely, so thank you. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Let's get into it. All right, top 5 gift ideas for photographers. And just keep in mind, all of these gift ideas, I'm going to have links in the description below. So, number 1, like I've said time and time again on this channel, on my Instagram account, on TikTok, your SD cards are gold and they should be protected. A hard shell SD case holder. Yeah. A hard shell SD card holder case. These will definitely protect all of your SD cards. And I think you can get like 7 full-size SD cards in there and then a plethora of little micro SD cards. So this is dust and water resistant. You use this as a hockey puck and you'll have no worries that your SD cards will be damaged. Yeah, take a slap shot with it. So that's number 1, hard shell SD card case. Yeah, finally nailed it. All right, number 2, these little hockey puck things of death. I hate them. Hate them with a passion. Hate them. Nope. Get rid of that. Get these silicone lens covers. Ooh boy, when these came out, I got my hands on these so fast. They'll keep your lenses dry. They are water resistant and dust proof. Protect your gear. Protect your gear. Absolutely. I think these come in a pack of 2 or a pack of 4. And yeah, they're super easy to throw on your lens, super easy to take off. Absolutely. Silicone lens covers. Number 3, and actually I just learned about these. They are NFC tags and NFC cards. So what you can do with these are kind of like the new wave or the new next gen business cards. You know, remember what business cards are, yeah? Client comes up to you, how do I get in contact with you? You give them this piece of paper, a piece of cardstock. Yeah, you probably have yours decked out or whatever, but we live in a digital age now, and these are the next thing, absolutely. So anybody that's running a photography business, for example, you can do these with both. So, for example, I'm just going to use the sticker here. So what you do is you take these little tags. I think you get 10 or 12 in a pack. You program one of these stickers. Then you take that sticker off, you slap it on the back of your phone, cover it with a case. You're at a photo shoot. They like what you did. Everything is awesome. They're like, hey, how do I get in contact with you? Just tell them to take out their phone, tap their phone. Whatever link that you programmed onto this little tag, their phone will get. You can send them to your YouTube channel. They can send them to your Instagram account, your website, a link tree, whatever your heart desires. That is the new business card. NFC tags or NFC cards. NFC tags or cards. Business card of the future, for sure. So number 4, these little cases like these. Keep your stuff organized so that or keep your gear organized so that when you're rummaging around in your camera bag, you know exactly where everything is. You can get these at Walmart, you can get them at Staples, you can get them at, even I think I found a couple at the dollar store. So this one I believe came from Amazon. Got them in 2 different colors. This one is for my cleaning stuff, and the other one is for audio gear, and then another one for just odds and ends like little Allen keys or Allen wrenches, a hand strap. So basically just odds and ends. Just keep them in a case like this so that they're not all over your camera bags. Keep it organized, and if you're OCD like me, absolutely, these will come in handy. Number 5, and this actually rounds it out, this is my cleaning case. So I have my little rocket air blower thing, just get rid of any dust. Also have a whole bunch of, I call them wet naps, but they're lens, specifically for lens. So give it a little bit of a wipe, and you're good to go. Also in your lens cleaning kit, a little brush. Kind of looks like a makeup brush, but just give it a little. This one also has a little felt, so just to get everything super clean. Yeah, a cleaning kit, absolutely. Keep your gear clean, keep your gear safe, keep your gear protected. Well, that kind of wraps it up for Christmas. Just kidding. I have a couple bonus gifts here for you. Guess bonus gift number 1 is this little Peak Design camera holster. So basically what you do with this is attach this part to the base of your camera, and it just slides in, well protected. You can have this or clip this to your backpack, your camera bag. You can clip it to your belt. It's super secure, easy access. Say you're walking, you're hiking. Oh, look, that's going to be a sick shot. You have this connected to your bag, your strap of your camera bag. Quick little, and it's off. You can take a shot of whatever you think is going to be a nice photo. Instead of rummaging through your camera bag and whatnot, getting everything disturbing, whatever, wherever you might be on location. Quick, easy access, and it's secure. Again, you can have it clipped onto your camera bag or to your belt, and it's just a quick little pop of this little black bar here, and then pop it right out. So, bonus gift idea number 2. Find out what camera your photographer friend or family member has, and get them extra batteries. You can never have too many batteries. You can never have too many. Get them 1, get them 2, get them 3, get them 10. Alternatively, you can have a laugh, put this in a bag with a note saying toy not included. Let that marinate for a minute. Normally, when you get a toy, it says batteries not included. So, cheesy? Yeah, I think so. But if you like cheesy, stick around. You can also get t-shirts and mugs that say, I shoot people and sometimes cut off their heads, or OCD, obsessive camera disorder, or I've been known to flash people. Just saying. Customized t-shirt, customized coffee mug. Who knows? One more. There's actually, I was led onto this last year. Go to creativekeys.com. They have little keychains and key tags or whatever for Photoshop, for Premiere Pro, for After Effects, Lightroom. And then if you notice, they have a little why do you hate me, Adobe Final 2 bleep, this bleep version 3.1. Any type of creative knows that you go through so many versions until the final product is ready. I just found this hilarious. I saw this last year and I was like, yeah, definitely gonna get my wife a couple of these. So if you want to have a laugh, give a laugh to a photographer friend or family member, absolutely get one of these keychains. They're They're hilarious. Alright guys, if these gift ideas were any help to you, let me know down in the comments below. Or if you're comment shy, hit that subscribe button. It'll help my channel out immensely. Or be able to continue making these awesome videos. So subscribe, that's number 1. Number 2, hit that like, share, and bell notification. Bing! Bing, bing, bing. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. So with that being said, happy holidays, happy gift giving. Take care of one another. Be safe this holiday. 2020 is almost over. New year, new possibilities. Here we go. Alright guys, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!